Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to another exciting option for marine access with the multi-lift system. Access Unlimited is 100% committed to getting people into and out of the vehicles, the boats, the cars, the RVs, whatever it is that you want to do, we want to get you into it. So this is yet another idea that we've come up with that solves a problem that's been brought to us by our customers many times. Folks love our trailer mount, which generally mounts here or there, and it's part of your boat. It sort of acts like a guidepost, okay? Except it's quite strong, and it gets you into and out of your boat when it's on a trailer. Inside the boat, we have the boat mount, okay, which, goes on what we call the deck mount, okay, which you can mount here or in the back or sometimes in the front. That gets you in and out of the boat. But then again, that only works for one trailer or one boat. When you travel a lot, when you might be in a different boat, or when you want to provide access to a number of people in a number of boats, here's a different concept. Now we have two different versions of the drive-on system. This one is very robust and can allow great distances and actually can bear some pretty great loads. It takes advantage of the stabilizing factor of the actual wheel. You'll see that in this system, you set it up, all of these pieces break down. So this is separable, all of this folds up, this all removes, and the legs that you see underneath the boat here, those can all be removed. So you end up with the heaviest piece being approximately 56 pounds, okay? And we're working on getting that down, but at this point it's right around 50 to 56 pounds. And then all the pieces are smaller and less difficulty there. So let's kind of break it down a little bit and see what the pieces of the puzzle are. So you've got your multi-lift right here. All these pieces are removable. Lift comes right off. Now this is the inverted version. We also have the standard version. This one is inverted because of the relationship between the gunnel and the boat. Okay, so we'll put that right down there. All of your extensions are individually removable. You'll notice that we've got these great safety pins here to make sure that you don't accidentally forget to put them on. They are required prior to operation of the lift. Okay, now this portion right here, we've got release pins right here. They come right off. And you'll see that this also is removable. Okay, telescopes. And you can take that right there. Goes right up here. You'll see there's a strap, so we'll just put that one right there to hold it while we're undoing the other one. Release, drop. You can actually, if you like, to make things a little simpler, you can actually take this, keep everything all in one place. There. This can actually stay in place. Okay. Leave these right here. I just took them off for demonstration purposes. Okay, and you put your strap right around here. Your next step when you're removing is you simply drive the boat off of the mount, okay? Okay, so driving the boat off of it is pretty simple. It's pretty stable. So our next step here is we're going to take this leg here and just remove it. Right, you just take it out like that. I find it easier to just kind of put it under my foot there so there's no pressure on it. Right. Okay, now that you've got that, so this part, I like to leave the top on while I'm moving it around because it makes it a little easier. Okay. Further breaking it down, we can take these right off if we want to make everything nice and easy to pick up and minimize the weight. Remove. This part can come right off here. Move the leg on this side. Remove this leg. And we can even take this top part off if we want to further reduce the weight. If you have no problem with the weight, then no need for that. Simply lift this off. This has got some glide strips there and a little bit of lubrication to make it easy. Okay, remove that right there. And this is your heaviest piece right here. Still not too bad. Pick that right up and stick it in the back of your pickup truck. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to show you how to assemble it and place it on the boat. Any questions, please check out our Facebook page, YouTube channel. So we're on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. We're also on Instagram at Access Unlimited. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 different words. Our website is www.accessunlimited.com. You can contact us there or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 607-669-4822, country code 1 in the United States. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 607-499-4933. Thank you so much for checking out the drive-on boat mount for the Access Unlimited multi-lift system. We hope you like what you've seen, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day, and enjoy boating.